One of the more challenging trading weeks, very unusual price action and the amount of price movement that we're seeing. Let's look at the indicators and the results on the day. Here are the results on the day: minus 2,000 in the micro SI 40, trading 2 units on the 200K, 1 on the 50K, minus 1,050. A little bit of difference in automation. 50K portfolio, this is what we were trading. We're trading smaller. Downgrading in this extreme volatility. 200K minus 7,100, brand new worst case drawdown. This is really harsh results, really harsh market to trade. I haven't seen anything like this. We had a wild January, but this portfolio setup that we're trading was profitable in January. The first week in February is even more volatile, and the market is just now getting used to quantitative tightening, I believe, on top of earnings. And it's not, the market has been used for 13 years, the market's been used to quantitative easing, which is stimulus, really. It's fake money, money printing, low interest rates, and it's not sustainable. It eventually causes inflation that we're seeing, and so we're seeing that. And so the Fed has reversed that. And the market continues to buy the dip, and the dip buyers are causing the volatility, in my opinion. They keep popping it up, and there's not any sort of natural or normal distribution. The market can't ever go down, hardly ever goes down like it should. It can't go down for a day. It can't go down for more than a few hours before it gets popped right back up. And so this constant hyperventilating by the dip programming is still in the market. It's been there for 13 years. It's accelerated, and it's in the way it does that. But I think it's going to roll over here. The market's going to roll over, and those dip buyers are going to get crushed, and then we'll have a two-sided market. It's not normal for a market. It's not normal to be able to catch falling knives and make V reversals all the time. And so that's what makes it challenging. That's what we're struggling with. Continue to do research on these V reversals. We had this momentum reversal, but it hadn't traded since Monday, so it didn't trade. It's one of our top new strategies. We're trading it in the new micro portfolio, but yeah, it's a challenging week, challenging market, and I'll have the portfolio calculator updated to see where we're at on the drawdown curve. We wanted to get in on a drawdown on these new portfolios, and they are right there at that. They're approaching near worst case drawdowns after being profitable in January. It's quick. These portfolios go through quick, rapid drawdowns. That's where we're trading them on the micros. We like fast cycles. It gives you opportunities for compounding. And so this week with earnings, we've seen, if you take a look at this, these earnings releases yesterday, just a violent 300-point reversal in 7 minutes. We were up about 2K on the 200K portfolio, and then gave back 1,600 of that for the close. And the market, it took out the high, and then it took out the low, and then it took out that pivot high, and it came back here, act like it's going to take out this low, then it act like it's going to take out this high, but it didn't, and then it rolled over. So these are big, wide-ranging moves, 400 and 500 points, and then 200 and 300 points, and then 200 points, and then 400 points, and then 200 points. Each 100-point move is about $2,000, and I remember days when, not too long ago, 3 years ago, when a 100-point move was a big move in the NASDAQ, and so and we don't see classical patterns anymore. These are not classical patterns. All these reversals, we're used to seeing more classical patterns, and it's been a while since we've seen any classical patterns in the market. So very challenging trade. I want to keep it brief. It's Friday. I'm going to be doing more research on the weekend on some of these reversals. See where we are on this portfolio calculator compared to this week to previous weeks, and have a weekend update for you so you can have further information on these portfolio setups. And those are the trades on the day for February the 4th, 2022. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.